Hello, this is Himanshu and before starting today's video I want to say that आज भाई बहुत दुखी है। जैसे तैसे 2 सब्सक्राइबर बने थे जिसमें से एक मुझे छोड़ के जा चुका है। मेरे भगोड़े सब्सक्राइबर भाई सुन ले, मुझे छोड़ के जो तुम जाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे। So in today's video I'll be solving the second problem of the contest which I started yesterday. There's a robot in a warehouse and n packages he wants to collect. The warehouse can be represented as a coordinate grid. Initially the robot is at 0 0 and ith package is at xi yi. No two packages are at the same point and bakwas. Okay, the string s should be lexicographically less than the string t. So what it basically means is we should be going right before going up. So what it means is that if we are at this point and we want to collect this box, we must go right and then up rather than going up and right, because r is smaller than u. So what it wants us to print the string. So the minimum possible number of moves is, I don't think this makes any sense because it will always be same, because we can only move right and up. So how can we do it? Let me first go ahead and open our editor. Main in t test cases. For each test case there is an x and y, c in x y. So in this problem what I can observe is we wanna sort these points according to the x-axis, because we are going right. So if we moved here in the first line itself, we won't be able to cover these points. So the points should be sorted according to the x-axis, and after that they should be sorted according to the y-axis. So let me add these in a vector. What a vector is, I will come in a second. So let me get a vector of pairs. V dot pushback xy. So let me sort this vector v dot begin, v dot end. So what a vector does is, it is nothing but an array with some additional functionalities. This vector is dynamic and we can add elements at the back and remove the elements from the back, and these operations work in constant time. So, and by default pair is sorted according to the first element and then the second. Since our first element is x and second is y, it will be sorted according to our proposed solution. So the starting position is 0 and 0, so we'll start from here. So we'll cover each point one by one. There are n points, so if a point is before the current position of x and y, we can say that the solution doesn't exist. So I'll take a flag. So if px is greater than vi dot first, or py is greater than vi dot second, we will set the flag and break from here. And we also need to create the answer, so we will create the answer in vector answer. So if the move is right, we will be putting 0 in the vector, and if the move is up, we will be keeping some another number. So while px is less than vi dot first, px plus plus, and we wanna add, let's say 0 in the answer, and then same thing happens for py. Let me make it second and py, and we will be adding 1. Now let's check the value of flag. If flag, the answer is no, else we want to print the answer vector. New line character. So let me go ahead and check with the sample input. cd space our directory g++ b dot cpp, compiled successfully. I'll go ahead and copy. It didn't print yes, so we also need to print yes here. Let me try and submit it. Problem is B. Here goes our solution and submit. fingers crossed, running on test case 5, 10 and accepted. Yo. So thank you for joining us. I'll see you in next video where I'll be solving the third problem. Till then, goodbye. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, and thanks in advance.